G'day, I'm Mighty and welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. This morning I'm going to take you on a walking tour through the beautiful Japanese traditional town of Miyama in Kyoto Prefecture. Miyama is famous for its traditional thatched roof Japanese houses, similar to what you may have seen in famous movies like The Last Samurai. Anyway, without further ado, let's go. This video has been made possible thanks to the generosity of my good friend Marco. Thank you, Marco, for letting me borrow your GoPro MAX. Most appreciated. Oh, over there on the roof there's a couple of guys rethatching. O疲れ様でした。Yeah, yes, actually I do.
You didn't cross the border.
Pardon me?
You didn't come across the border, you live here.
I live here now. Yes, I've been here a few months.
Okay.
You speak a really heavy American accent.
I'm from California, I've been here for 10 years.
Wow.
My kids and stuff.
I'm really curious. How does one from California come into the business of thatching roofs?
I've been here for a long time, and the boss's wife is my kid's piano teacher.
Okay, so you're just helping out. Are you originally Japanese or?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm from California.
You are from California, but of Japanese heritage or?
Chinese.
Pardon me?
Chinese and Scottish.
Chinese and Scottish. Oh, there you go.
Australian or pink?
Yeah, I'm Australian.
Hey, good Aussie.
That's right. Well, so you're helping out. So you, how much time is this going to take to rethatch the roof?
Take about 2 weeks or a month, boom.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, man.
And you live here in Miyama?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Spectacular. Hey, listen, man, pleasure to meet you. I'll let you get back to your work, but hey, thank you so much.
Good on you, mate.
Thanks, champ. See you later. Lots of fruit and flowers at the moment, being autumn. Chestnuts over there. Beautiful cosmos flowers. Someone growing chili peppers. I've come to a little temple. That is a big tree. Gorgeous gardens. These little, what do you call them? Boxes are to cover the fire hydrants. With so many of the houses in this village having thatched roofs, fire danger is a real risk and is very much considered. The fire hydrants are spread throughout the town, and twice a year they're tested. When they're tested, they spray water onto all the roofs, and it's quite a sight to be seen. Some goats back there. that, dear viewers, is a walking tour of the village of Miyama. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon in the mighty outdoors. Hooroo!